Pronoun replace the name of a person, place, thing, or idea into a sentence. I, she, they is the examples of pronoun. Interjection express strong emotion and is often followed by an exclamation mark. Wow, oh is the examples of interjection. Conjunctions connect words, phrases, or clauses in a sentence. Conjunction is the examples of and, but, are. Proposition describes the place, time, or directions it is used before a noun or pronoun. Under, above, during is the examples of proposition.